Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add picture overlay in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select one video to the track and I'm going to add picture overlay. You select your picture you want to make as an overlay, for example. So put on top. So this is the picture overlay. You can resize, you can change body position, and you can blend for the picture overlay. So select mode of blend, for example brighten like this. You can add more picture overlay, so select other picture, put on top. You can just for the duration and similar with the video with the main track. Can do as before. Sorry. Change the font size, change the size, and change for the model plane. It's on overlay. I'm going to remove the background. That's it. So that's how you can add a picture overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.